What actually happens underneath an AI system when you train it, fine-tune it, deploy it, or scale it to real users? Hi, I'm Ankit. I've spent more than 6 years working across AI and machine learning, with experience spanning generative AI, agentic systems, LLM engineering, forecasting, marketing analytics, supply chain, and production ML. I also have an MTech from IISc Bengaluru, and my industry experience includes TransUnion and ZS Associates. On this channel, I want to bridge two worlds: understanding AI from first principles, and building AI systems that actually work in practice. We'll visually break down concepts like neural network training, GPU memory, Covey cache, fine-tuning, RAG, agents, inference, and optimization. And then we'll connect those ideas to real engineering, LangGraph agents, production RAG pipelines, LoRa and Q-LoRa, model evaluation, deployment, MLOps, and scaling AI systems. You'll also see experiments, projects, research ideas, and lessons I've picked up while building AI and ML systems in industry. So whether you're an AI engineer, ML engineer, data scientist, developer, or someone trying to understand modern AI beyond API calls, you're in the right place. This is AI Beyond the Tutorials. Understand the system. Build better AI. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.